here, welcome back to my YouTube channel SHREYA Side. I hope you're doing great, guys. So guys, today, as you must have seen from the caption itself, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is not something a large and huge haul, but this is a quite mini cute haul and from a very good brand and a very well-known brand in the Indian market, especially that is none other than the Mamaearth. And this is the packaging which I'm having over here. Look at this, guys. I mean, it's so beautiful. The packaging is beautiful, it's brilliant, it's very cute. This is something which I have seen for the first time. Actually, I want you people to know one thing, that I have purchased all the Mamaearth products from their official website, that is www.mamaearth.com. So you can definitely get all the products and you can even get 20% discount on it. You can avail a 20% discount, so that's something amazing. And this is how the package looks like. It's so beautiful. The packaging is nice, and first of all, I would like to mention that whatever products are lying inside this box, they all together retain for rupees 1296. So let's quickly dive into the box and see what are the products like here inside. Keep watching this video till the end to know what are the products inside this. One thing, a quick little description I want to give you all people over there is that Mamaearth is a brand which recycle more plastic than it produce, and this is something very great about them. If they produce, or if they create 1 or 2 plastic can, then they recycle 4 or 6 in return to that. So that's amazing. And that means if you are using this product, if you're using this brand, that means some way or the other you are giving so many benefits, so good to your environment, to your ecosystem, and amazing for the kind of environment we are in today. We need to look after it definitely, and this is a quiet little step towards our safety purpose for our environment and stuff. So I hope I'm not blabbering much. Let's just get into the video. Let's see what are actual products, and keep watching this video till the end. So guys, here I'm just gonna unbox this. Let us just see what are the products lying inside this. As I've pre-mentioned that the box retains for 1296. As you can clearly see, the price of all together products are 1296. So let us just get into the products now. I'm very happy with the packaging. As you can see, all the products are they are even separately covered up with this bubble sheet so that products don't get damaged. So that's something amazing. Now here are all the products lying inside this. You can clearly see. So here I have 4 products inside. Let us just come into these products one after the other. So guys, here I have the first product. The very first product is Mamaearth Opt-in Face Wash. As you can clearly see, it is written that it is Opt-in Face Wash with turmeric and saffron. As we all know, turmeric, the queen of spices, is amazing for skin. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and whatnot properties. It's so basically what does it means? What I want to say is that as it has turmeric and saffron, that means some way or the other this product is even great and beneficial for teenagers. So, and one thing which is to be focused on is that it is for tan removal, and as we know, summers are on the very ultimate range right now. So tan removing face wash is something very good. One more thing that you would always remember is that it is free from paraben, it is free from sulfates, it's hypoallergic, it suits all skin types. So this can be a very good product for each and every person of each and every age and skin type. Talking about its amount, its price, it is for rupees 249. So yeah, this time I'm just gonna tell you about the packaging and about the ingredients. I cannot tell you about the review about how the product is because I have not used it. This is just unboxing, not a review video. Moving on to the second product. The second product is this is the Mamaearth Opt-in Face Mask. So that was the Opt-in Face Wash. This is the Opt-in Face Mask. These are amazing products. It again has saffron, turmeric, and apricot. It is for skin lightening and brightening. Again, free from paraben, sulfate, hypoallergic with bioactive ingredients. I'm going to show you the container inside. First of all, let me tell you about the price. It is for rupees 499. Okay, and the volume is 100 ml. So let us just see how it is. So this is how the box is. Very sturdy packaging, very good. It is Mamaearth Open Face Mask for skin lightening and brightening. So something that is amazing about this is the packaging. It's so sturdy, so good. The plastic quality is amazing. Very easy to handle, very easy to carry if you're traveling somewhere, and the volume is even very good. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna tell you the review very soon. Wait for the review. That will be coming soon on my channel. Just stay tuned with SHREYA Side. Next product that we have is again a very important summer beneficial and must have summer product. That's definitely a sunscreen. One thing that's very different about the sunscreen, which makes it quite amazing in its own way, is that it says, you can clearly see it is written that it is ultra light Indian sunscreen. That means it is clearly designed for Indian skin type. We all Indian are like, we have different kinds of skin. Like somebody has dry Sahara desert kind of dry skin, somebody has very oily skin, and this is for Indians specially, so it's gonna soothe our skin definitely. Again, this is the first sunscreen which has ingredients which are supernatural. That is, it has carrot seed and turmeric. That means it has supernatural ingredients mixed along with all the other beneficial products. It has SPF 50 with PA triple plus. That means sun protection is even not something which is not being taken care of. It is amazing with ingredients, and even with the sun protection formula or the sun protection factor is amazing. It is for sun protection, SPF 50, again paraben, SLS free, dermatologically tested for all Indian skin type. The price of this is 499. It is for 24 months prior to expiry date, so you can use it even for a long time. It gives so many sun protection, and it says plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use. Look at this, look at this. This is something which I told you in the very beginning of the video, that this brand is amazing in itself because it recycles more plastic than they produce. That is something amazing, literally amazing. Let's see how this is. So this is a very beautiful sturdy packaging, again a good plastic packaging. It has this cap which is travel friendly. Again, now talking about the review and stuff, that's gonna come very soon. Stay tuned with SHREYA Side. Moving on to the last product of this video, that is this hair oil. This is Mamaearth Roots Restore Hair Oil for hair fall reduction. This is amazing because it has rosemary, almond, and evening primrose oils. It has all the natural ingredients with all amazing benefits, and definitely very good quality for hair. The amount of this is rupees 399. It retains for 399. It has a kind of pump kind of packaging, so it's very good to travel with. Quite good while voluminous. Okay, it is for 100 ml, so it's good. दिखने में तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. Talking about the review, you have to wait for that, darlings. That's all for this video. I hope you all like this video. If anyhow these products were anyhow helpful for you, if any one of you have used these products, let me know in the comment section. If this video was anyhow helpful for you, do like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Keep coming back to SHREYA Side, and review for this will be coming soon. So stay tuned with my channel. Like this video. Bye bye guys.